This 5-minute solution will show you how to hide or change YouTube channel location using your mobile phone. So if you're trying to change or hide your YouTube channel location, follow these easy steps. And the process will be similar for Android and iPhone users. First of all, you have to open the Google Chrome browser. Once you are in your Google Chrome browser, tap on this search box and type here www.youtube.com. Then tap on this three-dot icon. And here you have to enable desktop site. Tap on this URL bar. And here, cut this M from here and write www. Make sure it's www.youtube.com. Then tap on go. And now pinch your fingers to zoom in and tap on your profile photo. Tap on YouTube Studio. And at the bottom left, tap on this settings icon. And here select channel. And you will get this country of residence drop down. So tap on it. And note one thing, that YouTube doesn't provide any feature to hide your location or country. So to hide your country location, you can select a different or a fake location from here. Once you selected a fake location, tap on save. And this is how we can hide YouTube channel location using mobile phone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.